Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outer tie rod on 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. You see the when I shake it, the tie rod loose on the outer one. Okay, let me show you guys how to do it. Okay, first we need to remove the carpons out. It is the same car that I do the ball joint, okay, but just tell you how to replace the outer tie rod. Your number 22 millimeter. And crack loose the inner bolt here. Is it inner tie rod bolt? Inner tie rod nut in here. Just crack loose a little bit. Yeah, it's good. Just crack loose it, and it's time to remove the outer tie rod. You can use that tool. Show you, okay, just put it here. It's out. And also you can count it how many rounds it come out, okay? 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a 13 round, okay? You will remove it out at 13 round, just put it 13 round back, okay? And as anyway you need to do a wheel alignment also, so put it back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. This is 13 round. 13. Just install the bolt or the nuts in here. And I put a carpon. And tightening the nut inside. Just tie it, and you have to tell the customer to do the wheel alignment after you finish it. In the tire, keep spinning. It's all set, guys. Here's how to change the outer tie rod on 06 Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Any question, just let me know. Okay, thank you.